How to build muscle at home without a gym. The real system. Imagine you can build a strong body, visceral muscles, athletic shape without a gym, without equipment, without excuses. The problem is not the place. The problem is that most people don't know how to train properly at home. They do random workouts, 20 push-ups today, 30 squats tomorrow, and then they wait for results. But the body doesn't understand randomness, progressive challenge, plus real resistance. In this video, I will give you a complete system to build muscle at home, covering the whole body in a way you can apply immediately using simple things around you. First, the core idea. If you want to build muscle without a gym, you need 3 keys. Training close to muscle failure, progressive overload, making it harder over time, movement control, not speed. It's not about how many reps you do, it's about how close you get to the point where you can't do another rep. Chest. To build a strong chest at home, you need 3 angles. 1. Deep range push-ups. Use 2 chairs or books under your hands. Go as deep as possible below hand level. Goal, maximum muscle stretch. 2. Slow push-ups. Lower in 4 seconds, pause, then push up slowly. This keeps the muscle under tension for longer, which is the key for growth. 3. Weighted push-ups. Put a backpack on your back and push. Here, you increase resistance without a gym. Shoulders. Shoulders give your body that wide look. 1. Pike push-ups. Lift your body into a triangle shape and push your head down. This is the closest thing to an overhead press at home. 2. Lateral raises with water bottles. Raise your arms to the side up to shoulder level. Even if the weight is light, slow repetition creates massive difference. Back. Most people ignore the back, and that's a big mistake. 1. Backpack rows. Hold a backpack full of books and pull it toward your stomach. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades at the end. 2. Upper back movement. Lie on the ground and lift your arms like wings, like an angel. This strengthens small muscles that improve posture. Legs! If you want strong legs at home, the secret is single leg work plus slow tempo. 1. Single leg squats or Bulgarian split squats. Put one leg behind you on a chair and squat with the other. This replaces heavy weights. 2. Slow squats. Lower for 4 seconds, pause, then rise slowly. Real muscle burn without equipment. 3. Wall sit. Sit against the wall and hold the position. Here, the muscle burns without movement. A different type of growth stimulus. Abs! Forget 100 random crunches. We need control, not chaos. 1. Hollow hold. Hold your body with your lower back pressed to the ground. This builds real core strength. 2. Leg raises with hip tilt. Raise your legs and tilt your pelvis upward. This targets lower abs, not the hips. Arms. 1. Biceps with backpack. Curl the backpack like a dumbbell. Control the lowering more than the lifting. 2. Overhead triceps extension. Lift the backpack above your head and lower it behind. This targets the deep part of the arm. 3. Finisher with water bottles. Fast repetitions until complete failure. This creates a strong muscle pump. The real system. Most important. All exercises without a system, no results. You have 2 options. 3 days per week, chest plus shoulders plus triceps. Back plus biceps, legs plus abs. 5 days per week, chest plus triceps, back plus biceps, legs, shoulders plus abs, full arms. Golden rule. For every exercise, most sets should be close to failure. Last set goes to complete failure. Every week, you must increase difficulty. Heavier backpack, slower tempo, more reps. If there is no progression, there is no muscle growth. Conclusion. You don't need a gym. You need a system. A small room plus a backpack plus consistency is enough to completely change your body in weeks. The problem is not equipment. The problem is always consistency. If you start today and follow this system seriously, after 12 weeks, the place you are standing in now will look different. Not because the place changed, but because you changed.